So good morning once again. In the last class, we have discussed the concept of increase, decrease percent. Then we have seen the concept of profit loss. Lakshit, admit. Okay. Okay. First class 70, second class 60, third class 56. Okay. That means the loss is less in this class in comparison. Huh? Okay. Let us start. Question number 3 first. The first doubt in 8.3. Now we have 57. So question number 3 is the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Let us see. So you can see, let us write original population was how much? 25,000. And sir, do we have to send classwork or with homework? But actually your CW and homework are both in same register only. Na? So when you will click the pictures, the both will come. Okay. You have to send both. Now this is the original population 25,000. Let us find given to us. New population is new population, or you can say next year population. Whatever you want, you can write. They are just statements. Is how much? 24,500. Obviously, there is a decrease in population. If you observe, there is a decrease in population, and they want us to find the percentage decrease. To find the percentage decrease, what we need to find first? Please tell. To find the percentage decrease, what we need to find first? Please tell. First, we need to find the decrease value. What is the decrease in value? Decrease is given by original minus new. That is 25,000 minus 24,500, and the answer is 500. The decrease is 500. Okay. Now let's find the decrease percentage. We have already discussed this thing. Whenever we want to find percentage, even if you forgot the formula, it is very simple. To find percentage of anything, first you write that thing, decrease upon what? Original value. In case it is your marks in school, you write maximum marks. So whatever you are finding percentage for, you will divide by original thing. Okay. So here the original is given to you already, multiplied with 100. It is very much important to understand, whenever you want to find percentage, we multiply with 100 and we put this percentage sign. Okay. Now let's find the decrease is 500. The original population was 25,000 into 100. I have always told you, you have to cut the zeros first. If they are cutting directly, then this zero also gone. 25 twos are. So answer is 2%. I think this was doubt of I forgot the name. Please check. After this, we will take question number 6. First, tell me any doubts in this question. Okay, it was doubt of Nilakshi. Nilakshi, is this clear to you? Please confirm. Nilakshi, is this clear? How we found this decrease percent? Okay. Now question number 6, doubt of Tushita. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,000. Oh yes, it is very nice question. It is based on that only, finding the cost price. Avneet is saying, sir, can you please explain question number 5? Avneet, I think we have done question number 5, but still after many days you have asked something, so we will not underestimate that. Question number 5 is, I buy a TV. This is done, what do you say, Avneet, yesterday, but haven't you watched the video? Have you watched the video yesterday one? Please tell. Avneet, you have watched. Okay, still you have doubt. So let us take again. I buy a TV. So this is I. He buys a TV for rupees 10,000. So he purchased it for rupees 10,000 from a shopkeeper. Then what happened? He is selling it at a profit of 20%. So profit of 20% and he is selling. So this is the cost price. Avneet, try to understand. This 10,000 is the cost price. So this you discussed. Okay. Please see, Avneet, are you able to understand why 10,000 is cost price? Please tell Avneet. Whatever we buy, that price is known as cost price. So this CP is your rupees 10,000 first thing. Second thing they are saying is we are selling it to someone at a profit of 20%. So let me write profit is 20%. Now they are asking what? They are asking selling price. We have a formula containing these three things, and that formula is very simple. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Tell me one thing, Avneet. Right now, can we put these three value, whatever which is given to us? Can we put profit equal to 20% is equal to SP minus CP? No, because this is in percentage and these are in values. So they are not comparable right now. They cannot be put in an equation. So first we need to find what? First we need to find the value of, Avneet, first we need to find the value of, please tell, the value of, no, Avneet, no. Before finding the value of SP, we need to find the value of this thing. This thing is in percentage, na? So we need to convert it. We need to convert it into value. Let us find. Very simple. If percentage is given to you, we have learned. If percentage is given, what we do, we divide that percentage by 100 and we multiply with original value. This we have learned already. So we will find the value by this. Let us write. So whatever you like, if you write the formula, you can do by that also. So you will write like this: profit value is given by profit percent upon 100 multiplied with original value. And I have told you, if it is not told, original value is always taken as what? Cost price. So here let's put the value. Profit is 20% upon 100 into cost price is 10,000. That means the profit is how much? 2,000 rupees is the profit. And as soon as you get the profit, it is very simple. Just put the values in the formula. Profit is 2,000. CP you know. Can't you find the SP? I hope now you can find on your own, Avneet. Okay. Now let us take question number 6, doubt of Tushita. This we have not discussed yesterday, so let us discuss today. Question number 6. Sorry. Question number 6. So linear equation, we can find the value. Yes, beta. Now, Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. So we have three situations. We are buying something. So suppose this is Juhi. Juhi purchased a washing machine and then she is selling it to someone. She is selling it at rupees 13,500. And they are giving us, there is a loss of 20%, loss of 20%. So class, already we know whenever we, what you say, sell a second hand thing, we have to send at a lower price. So now tell me, what we need to find in this question. We know SP is 13,500 and loss is 20%. What we need to find? We need to find the cost price. So again, what do we do first? Please tell. Let us write these things. So given to us, given SP is rupees 13,500 and loss percentage is given to us as 20%. CP is missing. So can we directly start like this or we have to assume something? Please tell. Can we directly start or we have to assume something? We have to assume because, sir, off your video. Others, are you having an issue with my video? Because Abbas is saying to switch off the video. I don't think it is hindering. Please see. So I've told you the starting is cost price. The starting is cost price, and from cost price we get the selling price. So in the questions where we were finding selling price, there was no issue. In the questions where we were finding selling price, there was no issue because we had the starting point. But in this case, we don't know the starting point itself. In this question, we don't know the starting point itself. So we have to take something. So we will assume the starting point. Let cost price equal to rupees X. Now we will start the journey. Class, now we will start the journey. So first we'll find the value of loss. Loss value is given by loss percentage upon 100 multiplied with what? Please tell class. Loss value we are finding and that is equal to loss percent upon 100 multiplied with what? Original value. Very good. And what is the original value? It is the starting value, the initial value. What is the initial value? It is always and will always remain the cost price. That is why I had to assume it as X, because we find loss as well as profit on what? Please tell. We always find loss and profit on what? Cost price. That is why we had to assume it as X. Tushita, I hope you are able to understand this thing. So loss percentage is 20 upon 100 into X. Only problem is we don't like variables in the answer. We are very much habitual of seeing numbers in the answer. That is why it looks a little bit awkward. But with time, it will be easy for you. So 0, 0 cancel and you will say it is 2 by 10 X. This is the value of loss. So rupees 2 by 10x, or if you want, you can write that also. It is correct. Rupees 1 upon 5x. The both are correct. Actually, I like these kind of numbers not to be cut. That's why I leave them like this only. Now, after finding the loss value, we have the equation. Equation is like this. Loss is equal to, yes beta, after solving they become constant, Cp minus Sp. So Tushita, let's put the values. We know loss we have found as 1 upon 5x, so that is x upon 5. Then we have a equal to mark. Class, tell me what is the value of Cp? What is the value of Cp? It is x, and Sp is given to us. The value of Sp is 13,500. So now our job is to isolate the x. But if you see, there are two x. So first we should try to make them single. There are two x. First we should try to make them single. To make them single, I will take this x to the left hand side, or you can bring this x upon 5 to the right hand side. It is your choice. So let us take x to the left hand side. It becomes x upon 5 minus x. Why? Because here it was positive. When it went to the left hand side, it became negative. That is equal to, please tell, minus 13,500. So this is the equation. You have to go very carefully in every step. No mistake. So now you will take LCM. x upon 5 is there, what we can do is, yes beta, it crosses, the sign will change. So x, we can multiply with 5 and 5 like this, is equal to minus 13,500. Now what will happen? We have x upon 5 minus 5x upon 5. Okay, Lavya, why minus 13,500 came? It is very simple. Lavya, let us see. See, I told you this is the border. Okay, let us do an analogy and then understand. I told you this equal to sign is like a border. Okay, so whosoever crosses the border, he or she will have the effect. This is suppose India, and this is suppose some other country like Nepal. So if you observe, only X from Nepal is going to India. So that means only one person from Nepal is going to India. So that person who is traveling, he or she will only have the effect. जो लोग बाकी थे वो तो वैसे ही रहेंगे ना बेटा. So if you observe, we already have minus 13,500. तो वो तो ऐसा ही रहेगा. Lavya, try to understand. The person who is traveling, केवल उसको चेक करेंगे ना कोरोना के लिए. ये थोड़ी ना कि जाके घर घर सबको चेक करते रहेंगे. द पर्सन हु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम फ्लाइट, सिर्फ उसको चेक किया जाएगा. सो वी हैव डन नेगेटिव फॉर एक्स ओनली एंड रिमेनिंग थिंग्स आर सेम. लेट मी डू इट अगेन. I know it is little bit difficult to understand at first. Let me do it again. One second. I hope the finding of loss value was clear to everyone. I hope the finding of loss value was clear to everyone, because after that only we have solved the equation, nothing else. Again, let's put the values. The values are very simple. Loss value is x upon 5 is equal to x minus 13,500. So the thing is, whosoever travels to the other side, he or she will become negative. This time, suppose in my mind came, instead of taking x to the left side, I will take this to the left side. Now tell me what will happen. If 13,500 will go to the left side, what will happen? It will become x upon 5 plus 13,500 equal to x upon. Simple. So those who are not traveling, they will remain as it is. Those who are at their homes in their own country, they will have no change. Only person who will have change is that who is traveling to another country. So now we have this thing. Now what we have to do is, now we will take this x upon 5 to the right hand side. Just to make you clear, I am doing this traveling again and again. Now what will happen, please tell me. If this x upon 5 go to the right side, what will be the equation? Please tell me. What should I write here in the right hand side? Please tell. What should I write on the right hand side? Lavya, please tell. Tell me the whole part. What should I write? Yes, Kavish, very good. Others, please try. If I take x upon 5 to the right hand side, I have to write first thing. I have to observe. I have to respect the citizens of the country. X is the citizen of country Nepal only. So we will write the X first as it is. And then this new person came to the country with a negative sign. So this is the equation. And now solve it. Simple. We have to make it same base. By LCM we can do that. So 5x upon 5 minus x upon 5. I have made it like terms, like we do earlier also. So 13,500 is equal to LCM of 5, 5x minus x. Now it will become 13,500 is equal to 4x upon 5. And now we all know how to find the value of x. This time you will take 4 by 5 directly to the left hand side. So they will come in multiplication and division. So 13,500 into 5 upon 4 is equal to x. So now if you solve it, you will get the value of cost price. So class, I tried. Sir, what is 5x? Okay. Mokshita, if you got disconnected, please watch it again on that channel, because already I have repeated it 2 times. Okay, Lavya, what is 5x? Actually, we had x only, Lavya. The denominator was 1. They are unlike terms. To make them like, what I did is I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 5. I hope I can do this. Lavya, please confirm. Can we do this thing? We have learned also in the chapter number 2. Sir, what is percentage of 15? Kritika, from where this came? Percentage of 15. Let us check what is the answer. So we can divide this actually. 4 ones are, yes Bani. 4 threes are 12. 1 remainder 15 is there. Sir, how 4x came? Lavya. Okay, how 4x came? Beta Lavya, 5x minus x, they are like terms. They can be solved. So 5x minus x will give you 4x. That's it. Lavya, is it clear now? Lavya, please answer. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. 1 remainder. 15 is there. Again 4 3s are 12. Then how much is left? 3 is left. Then 30 we have. 4 7s are 28. 2 is left. 4 5s are 20. Now we have to multiply these two. 5 5s are 25. 5 7 35 plus 2 37. 15 plus 3 18, and 15 plus 1 16. So rupees 16,875 was the cost price of washing machine. Tushita, very good. It was your doubt, and in the end you gave the answer. So it is very, but you say, I'm happy to see that. Others, please tell, is it clear to you? This thing is little bit in reverse direction. If CP is given, moving forward is very easy. But if SP is given, we are moving backward. Just keep this thing in mind. When cost price is given, you are moving forward. When SP is given, you are moving backward. And always going backward is difficult than going forward. Okay. Now time is how much? We have very little time left. So let me tell you the concept of compound interest and simple interest. The concept of interest. Normally we all have bank accounts. Actually, Ellen, I am your sir. First of all, you told you will tell another way also without x. Ellen, I think in this class it is better if you go with the concept. Next class, class 8th, I will tell you that formula, because right now it is not justified. Na? This is your learning age. You should learn the concept only. Okay. Now, interest. So class, we all have bank accounts. If you have seen your passbook, in that if you give suppose 100 rupees for a year, you may get 110 rupees back. So that 10 rupees is what? 10 rupees is the interest given by the bank to you. Are you all aware of this thing about interest? We all have seen these things in banks normally. Please tell. Yes. Okay, Ashmit, you don't know this thing. Please check your father's passbook. You will find that every 3 months, your father passbook, there is a interest coming. Compound interest is not there. Let me check. If it is not there, it is very good, because compound interest is in class 8th, I think. Okay. It is very nice. It is not there, compound interest. So let us leave that only. Right now, we'll discuss only simple interest. So again, a formula is there. But if you don't want, you don't need that. Sir, we get 10 rupees only in 3 months. So yes, you have to increase the principal amount. It is actually, the more you give to the bank, the more they will return you. It is like that only. Okay, more the investment, more the returns. Sir, when we take loan, yes, when you take loan from bank, you give interest to the bank. So whosoever takes the money, he will have to give you the interest. Yes, this is called interest. So interest is the amount we have gained on the principal amount. So interest is the amount, or you can say is the extra amount that we have gained on our original amount. So in this case, original amount is known as principal. Okay, the original amount that we have given to someone is known as principal amount. Suppose, let me give you a simple thing without formula. Suppose you have given me rupees 10,000. You tell me please, sir, why do we take loan? Ryan, actually things are very costly nowadays, especially the infrastructure, these buildings, houses, they are very costly, and having this much rupee with a person is very difficult nowadays. So we have to take help of these banks, which help us with this much money. Earlier we used to take money from people who used to, what you say, torture us for all these things to return the money. They used to take a lot of interest. That is why government came up with this bank thing. Okay, now tell me, if you give me rupees 10,000, suppose. Yes, money lenders, you must have studied in SST. So if you give me rupees 10,000 for 1 year at a rate of interest 10%, you gave me 10,000 rupees for 1 year at an interest of 10%. Tell me how much money I will return you back. Or just tell me one thing, how much extra money I will give you back. Kavish, very good. Jitesh, very good. Without formula also you can do. It is very simple. We all have studied, if interest is given to us, if percentage is given to us, we write the percentage, we divide by 100 and multiply by original value. So let's do that only. So we have to do is 10% interest is there upon 100 multiplied with 10,000. Cut the zeros. So I have to give you extra 1,000 rupees. So in 1 year, you have earned 1,000 rupees extra from me by giving your money to me. So to have an idea from your normal life, try to ask your parents what is, what you say, interest rate given by your bank. Nowadays it is less, I think 4%. Nowadays the rate of interest given by your bank is 4%, and that is not SI, that is CI, but still have an idea, discuss with your parents. Okay, it is like a bonus. Yes, actually you have given your money to someone, so you will also expect, sir, what is ROI? But ROI is rate of interest. Rate of interest. Don't worry, I will discuss this concept again tomorrow, but I hope other question you will do on your own, at least till question number 8. I want you all to complete. Remaining 9, 10, 11 I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, sir, ROI is rate of interest short form. Yes beta. Sir, what is the original value here? Here the original value is the amount that you have given in the starting. Whatever you do in the starting is the original value. So here the original value is principal, the amount that you gave me, that is rupees 10,000. Okay, Abhas. Yes, time is getting over. Let me stop the recording.